Hi everybody, welcome to Tony's Brick House. I'm Tony, and in front of you, you see a pile of parts. So, what did these pile of parts go to? The Monster Fighters Polybag 30201, Ghost and a Clock. The Ghost does glow in the dark, so let's get started. And right out of the gate, I'm dropping pieces. Alright, so first off we have our Ghost with his ball and chain. Because, you know, a ghost would be bound by a ball and chain. It just makes sense to me. So, what would a ghost need? Well, a clock, of course. Because if there's one thing I have found that ghosts like to do, and that is tell time. I don't know, maybe it passes the time. Okay, that was a bad one. I'm sorry. I know I've said before I really enjoy these Monster Fighter sets. Sadly, they were very short-lived. Wish they would come out with some new ones, new versions. My favorite set, of course, is the Haunted House, which goes pretty crazy high on eBay right now. But hopefully, I'm a pretty patient guy. Hopefully at some point in time one will pop up that's in my price range. Now, at the time of this video, this particular polybag can be found on eBay for right about 10-12 bucks, which, you know, really isn't too bad. Of course, I mean, I'd definitely like it a little cheaper, but now some of the other Monster Fighters smaller sets, you know, again can be had fairly cheap. Some of them as low as 15 to 20 bucks. Again, at the time of this video. Doesn't mean that when you see this and you look for them that they're going to be as cheap. Alrighty, and I've got 3 extra parts. When I first got back into Lego, I had forgotten that usually there's a few extra parts in a bag. Well, with any set. So that was kind of a shock to me. I was going over the set I'd built over and over and over. What did I forget? And then when I looked it up online, I actually did find out there are extras. So here we have our Ghost and his clock. I really wish that the Ghost had had a full set of legs and not just the torso with a block, but works out good. Looks pretty good. The clock will be a good addition to the Haunted House if I ever pick up one. Definitely doesn't look too good from the side and of course from the back, but yeah, you wouldn't be looking at it from that angle, now would you? Alright, this is the Monster Fighters Polybag Ghost and Clock. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you will know when I put another video out. And I thank you for watching.